Welcome, friends, to my blog on bird murmuration. Bird murmuration is very beautiful but a very complex phenomenon occurring in not only the world of birds but also in the animal world. This calm looking water body is near my home in Navi Mumbai, India, where many birds would come when there is a high tide in the nearby creek. The birds they consist of a very mixed flock of plovers, sandpipers, and others. There are some big birds also. We will not go into their murmuration, but we will see the murmuration of the smaller birds. It's very surprising how it starts, and then we will be short of our imagination how these birds assume the shapes, different shapes.